In this video, I'll be walking you through property of definite integral. Once again, this is Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us by subscribe after you view or before you view, and share our video. Please help us to subscribe and also share our video to your friends. Today I will be walking you through properties of definite integral. Property of definite integral. Okay, before we go to property of definite integral, you should know that integral, we have two parts, which is that we have two branches of integral. We have definite and indefinite. We have done the definite part, which you can view, indefinite part. Now this time around, I want to start definite part. Now, but before we start up the definite part, let me give you a question like, find the equation of a curve. Let me look. Which passes through okay, let me use 1 and 2. Point 1 and 2. Okay, and put the slope of let me look for the slope and put the slope at x and y is let me look for one equation. Okay, is x plus 2x squared plus 7. Okay, look at this question. Find the equation of a curve which pass through the point 1, 2 and put the slope at what? X and y. X, y is what? Okay, if I should solve this type of problem, it's a very good question that you can have at any time. Now, if I should find, I'm looking for equation, but this is a slope. If I should interpret slope, my slope can be given as y prime, can also be called the y, the x, which is also the same thing as what? Slope. Which is also the same thing as what? Some textbook, when you are talking about y equals to mx plus c. Now, this m is talking about gradient. You call it gradient. I can also call it m. Now, is equals to what? X plus 2x squared plus 7. Now, at this point, I can see that what? This is the interpretation on this particular problem. Now, I can move on by having dy all over the x equals to x plus 2x squared plus 7. Now, I can now say that what? Y equals to x plus 2x squared plus 7, all bracket of what? The x. Now, at this point, I can see that my y raised to power is 0. My y can be raised to power is 0. Now, if I integrate. Now, it means y, which is no logic behind it, I can say that my y equals to x squared all over 2 plus 2x raised to power 3 all over 3 plus 7x plus k. Now, this is the equation you are looking for. But what I need is just what? K. It's just, I need k so that I'll be able to have complete equation. This is my problem now. But this is what I'm looking for. My question is what? Solve. Now, at point what? 1, 2. It means, don't forget our coordinates, x, y. It means my x equals to 1 and my y equals to 2. Now, it means what? I can say that what? 2 equals to 1 all over 2 plus 2 bracket of 1 raised to power 3 all over 3 plus 7 raised to power 1 plus k. Now, this is what 2. Now, that is what is very important. Now, since I have that, I can now generate my k, which I can say that what? Okay, let me say 2 equals to 1 over 2, which is 1 all over 2 plus 3 all over 2. 2 all over 3 plus 7 plus k. Now, multiply all by 6. If I should multiply all by 6, I'll be having 6 times 2, which is 12, plus I have 3 plus, which is 2, 4, which is 4. Sorry, this is equals to, I have 4 plus 6 times 7. 6 times 7, 6 times 7, it will be 40. 7 times 7, that will be 49, which is 42. Yes, 49, which is 42. Now, I'll be having 42 plus 6k. Now, successfully, that is what I will be having. Now, since I have that, I can see that what? My 6k equals to 12 minus this plus this. That will be what? That will be 7, which is going to be 49. I'll be having 49. Now, minus 49. Now, once I have that, I will say that what? This and this will be 6k equals to, take away 12 from 49. It will be, which is going to be 12, 49. It will be 37. I'll be having minus 37. Divide both sides by 6, I will have 6, which I will have my k, 6, my k, it will be equals to that, minus 37. Now, my real equation that I'm looking for, my y will now be equals to, back to here. Now, my y is equals to x squared all over 2 plus 2x cubed all over 3 plus 7x minus 37 all over 6. That is my final answer. That is the equation I'm looking for. That is my equation. Now, let's now go to property. This type of question can come up in any form. It can come up anytime. Okay. This definite integral is always on application of what? Integration. Now, definite integral is always on application of what? Integration. Now, property number 1. I have number 1. Property 1. If I have integral of f of x, I have a limit of a to b. Now, let me explain before we talk about property. Before we talk about property, if I have it of my x of a, okay, let me use a number 2 and 3 and 3x squared, the x. Now, my integral of this is, which is I will have 3x raised to power 3 divided by 3. You can have it like this, 3 and 2. Or you can do it like this, all cases of what? 3x all over 3, which is 3 and 2. Anyhow you want it. Which I will have 3 will cancel 3. I will be having, now my upper limit, please note, upper limit minus lower limit is very important. Lower limit, limit. Now, upper limit minus lower limit. It means my upper limit is what? I have x raised to power 3, which is what? Now, my upper is what? Is 3. It means, okay, it means, which applies to, my upper limit is what? 3 raised to power 3 minus 3, 2 raised to power 3, which I have 27 minus what? Minus 8, which I have, my answer will be 18 and 27, which is going to be 19. That is my final answer. Now, please note of that, upper limit minus what? Lower limit. Now, Let me now move on to property of indefinite integral. Now that is all about definite integral. Then there are more of them. Now, property of definite integral. The first one is if I have number one, I have of b and a, and I have the limit of f of x and plus or minus g of x, or bracket of what? Dx. This is the same thing as what? And this is the same thing as what? Integral of b of a f of x dx plus or minus dx plus or minus integral of b and a g of x dx. That is my example. If I have a problem like this, I have integral, example, e.g. Now, if I have integral of 1, 2, and I have x squared plus 3x all dx. Now, I can also interpret it this way. Integral of 2, 1, x squared dx plus integral of what? 1, 2, 3x dx. Now, for instance, if I want to do this way, I want to do this side A, LHS and RHX. Now, if I want to do my LHS, I will have what? I will have x raised to power 3 all over 3 plus 3x squared all over 3. Okay, let me just use, we have 2 to 1. Now, which I will have, okay, I will have all over 2, all over 2. Now, which I will have, my upper limit of this case is, I can say that what? My upper limit is 2, 3 all over 3 plus 3 bracket of 2 raised to power 2 all over 3. That is upper limit minus, that will be 2 all over 3 plus 3 bracket of 1 all over 2. Now, upper and lower, which I will have 8. 8 divided by, I will have 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 3 plus 3 we cancel. No, this is 2 now. This is 2. Okay, I will have 2 we cancel the square here. I have 6. I have minus, which is I have 1 all over 3 plus 3 all over 2. Which, if I should open my brackets, I will have this is okay. Let me use the fraction. I have 6 times, which is 18. 18 plus 18 plus 8, which I have 26. 26 all over 3 minus, this is 2, which is 2 plus 5. 2 and 6. Okay, 2. That will be 2 plus 9, which is going to be 2 plus 9, it will be 11 all over 3. Now, which I have 3 bracket of what? 26 minus 11. Yes? The SM is, yes, the SM is what? Is 6, The SM is 6. Which is 2 in this, we have 3, 2, and 9. 9 plus 2, which is 11. Okay, now, 26, which the LCM also, my LCM is to be what? 6, which is going to be, this is 26, which is going to be 3, 2 times 26 to be 52. I have 52 minus, which is going to be 11. 52 minus 11. 52 minus 11, which is 41. Okay, that will be 41. I'll be having 41, which is 41 all over 6. Now, let's go to this as area. Now, if I have it like this, I will have x raised to power 3 all over 3. We have 2, 1 plus x raised to power squared all over 2. We have 2, 1. Now, which I will have, which is I have 2 raised to power 3 all over 3 minus 1 all over 3. That is the first one, upper and lower, plus I have 2 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 2, which is a 2 raised to power 4. That will be 4 times, okay, which is going to be 4 also, which is going to be 2, because this will cancel that. Okay, minus 3 all over 2, minus 3 all over 2. Now, okay, which I will have, sorry, let me just demarcate. Now, which I have 3 raised to power, which is going to be 3 raised to power 2. Yes, 3 raised to power 2. We have 8 all over 3 plus 1 all over 3 minus 1 over 3 plus, this one will be 6 minus 3 all over 2. Okay. Okay, is that not the same? They are the same. If I should open bracket here, minus, can't you see this is what? Once I do the same thing, I'll be having, okay, multiply everything by what? By 6, which you have 41. 41 all over what? All over 6. Now, can you see LHS is equals to RHS. Now, LHS is equals to RHS. Now, that is my answer. Since they are equal, that is proved. Now, okay. Yes, 8, 7. Now, they're equal. Now, that is property number 1. Number 2. You can try that. Try as many as you can. Property number 2. Property number 2. If I have integral of AB and A of f of x dx. Now, since my A is constant, my A is a constant number. Can be any number, can be 5, it can be 6. The same thing as what? A integral of what? B and what? F of x dx. Now, for instance, if I have 6x squared integral of what? 1 to the x. It's same thing as what? If I should have this, I can see is x squared the x 1 and 2. If I should do the same, which I will have 6x is power 3 divided by 3, 2 to 1, and the other side will be what? 6 bracket of s 3 all over 3, 2 to 1. Now, which I will have the same thing. Here 1, here what? Here what? Here 2. Now, 2x 2 into bracket of what? S raised to power 2 raised to power 3 minus minus 2, which is, I have this, okay, I have 2 is bracketing both, which I have 1 raised to power 3. Which is, I have 8 plus 8 minus, which is going to be 7, bracket of 2, which I have 14. Let's try this, which I have 6, which I have 2 raised to power 3 minus 2, 1 raised to power 3 divided by 3. Now, which I have 8, 9, 6 bracket of 7 all over 3. Here 1, here 2, which I have 14. LHS is equals to RHS proved. Now, that is my 2. Number 3. Property 3. Property 3. Okay. Property 3. If I have integral property 3, I have integral of a and I have a f of x dx. This is all equals to 0. For instance, if I have integral of what? 1, I have 2x dx, which is to be equals to 0. For instance, let me prove it. Let me see, maybe it will be equals to 0. Now, I have 2x squared all over 2, 1, which also implies 2, which is 2 we cancel 2. I don't need to waste them. Now, I have 2, we cancel 2. 1 squared minus 1 squared, which is 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. LHS is equals to RHS. That is proof. RHS. Now, that is proof. Now, number 3. Okay, number 4. Number 4. If I have integral, number 4. If I have integral of a and b, f of x dx. Now, I have integral of f and b, f of x dx. The same thing as what? Integral of c of a. C of a and okay, I have integral of c of a, f of x plus integral of b of c f of x dx. This is equal. For instance, if I have a number like this, I have example, e.g. Now I have integral of 0 to 2 x raised to power 5 dx. Now if I should have this, I can interpret this as integral of what I have is 0, 1 x raised to power 5 dx plus integral of what 2 to 1 x raised to power 5 dx. That is all about that. Now, since I have that, yes, I can, if I should have this, I will have x raised to power 6 all over 6, 2 to 1 is 0, which I have 6 raised to power, which is 64 all over 6 minus 0. Now, 64 over 6, let's try this. If I have this, I will have x raised to power 6 all over 6, which I have 1 to 0 plus x raised to power 6 all over 6, which I have 2 to 1. Now, LHS. Now, which I have 1 all over 6 plus, this is I have 2 raised to power 6 all over 6 minus 1 raised to power 6 all over 6. Let's say it's 6. Okay, this we cancel this. This we cancel this, which I have 2 raised to power 6 all over 6. Same thing as what? 64 all over 6. Now, this is equals to what? This. It means LHS. It means LHS is equals to RHS. That is proof. Now, that is proof. Okay. Now, that is also proof. That's number 4. Now, number 5. Number 5. Okay, my number 5. If g, okay, let me use f of x. F of x is less than g of x. It also be what? Integral of what? Integral of a particular limit, okay, of f of x will be less than what? Integral of what? A of b of g of x. Dx. Now, these are equal. Now, example. If, for instance, example, e.g., if my f of x equals to x squared plus 3x plus 7, and my g of x equals to x raised to power 5 plus I have plus 3x squared minus 7. Okay, and I want to use the limit. My f of is 0. It will be what? 7. My my g of is 0. It will be what? It will be minus 7. Okay. 7, 7. Let me use 4. Let me use 4 as g of x. Sorry. 4. To be equals to 4. Now, it's very clear that what? My f of x, okay, my f of s at 0 is greater than equals to g of x. Is greater than equals to g of x. Now, it means the integral of, let me use 0 to 2, or is 0 to, let me use 0 to 1. I can't stress myself. 0 to 1 of g of f of x dx to be also be greater than what? Integral of 1 of 0 g of x dx. This condition will what? Also hold. You can try that. Okay, let me just try it. Let me quickly try that. Now, if I should try it, it means my f of x, I have my integral, which is x squared plus 3x plus 7, all bracket of dx, integral of what? Is 0 to 1. Can it be greater than equals to, I have g of x. My g of x is integral of x is power 5 plus 3x squared minus 4, 1 to 0 dx. Now, let's try it. Now, which I will have, if I should integrate this particular function, I will have x is power 3 all over 3 plus x all over 2 squared plus 7x, which is 1 to 0. Now, greater than equals to, also I'll be having x is power 6 all over 6 plus 3x raised to power 3 all over 3 plus minus 6 minus 4 minus 4x 0 to 1. Now, clearly, if I put I have my 1 all over 3 plus 3 all over 2. 1 cannot change anything. 7. Can it be greater than? I have 1 all over 6 plus 3 all over 3, which is 1, plus 1 minus 4. Now, this number is really great, which I will have multiply all through by what? By 6, which I will have. Now, 6, we have 2 plus, we have 9 plus 6 times 7, which is going to be 49, which is 49, take away 7, which is going to be 42. I have 42. Now, divided by what? 6. It will be greater than equals to what? Which is, I have 4 minus, which is 3. 3. Now, 3 and which is going to be 18. 19 all over what? 6. This number is great. Can't you see? That is what? That is proof. That is proof. Now, once again, this is Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more by sharing, share, and also subscribe to our channel. Help us to share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.